important. Fries over here, and soda over here, or soft drink if you're an Aussie. More of these through the middle. Noisy today.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine.
These are the clear ones, like this, like that. Cool. These tiny little things. Pretty cool. Okay, drinky's done. Do these chippies. Yes, they're upside down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The silliness. The silliness. It's going to be super silly. Okay, I'm just going to do one on the side. There we go. And this one. An extra there, but it goes there. And that goes there. This one. That one on the bottom. Damn, oh, I only got one. That. Okay. Another one. Ah, wrong one. Not paying attention. Duh. This little one. Oh my gosh. Ah, it is an extra one hanging off. Let's go on top. Ta-da! There we go. And then this comes back into the picture. Oh my god, it's gonna fall apart. Oh my god. Oh my god, I hate this. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh. A little bit wobbly, but it's in there. There we go. And as always, we have the Daiso block graveyard. These are the pieces we did not use. What could we make out of these instead? I don't know. What could we make? I think they especially include these tiny little things because they do expect you to lose them. But anyway, yes, that's the graveyard.